I hope you guys are all having an awesome day. Today, we're going to talk about the symptoms of a bad EVAP canister, also known as a vapor canister or charcoal canister. Now, the charcoal canister is an important part of your EVAP system. Its main job is to store gasoline vapors that build up inside your fuel tank. Later on, when your ECM, engine control module, commands the purge valve to open, those vapors get sent to the engine to be burnt, reducing emissions and helping improve your fuel economy. If you drive a diesel vehicle, you won't have an EVAP canister, since diesel fuel isn't as volatile as gasoline. As for the location, the charcoal canister is usually found underneath the vehicle near the fuel tank. However, on some vehicles, you might find it under the hood, often beneath the master cylinder or in front of the coolant reservoir. All right, now let's get into the main symptoms of a bad charcoal canister. Number 1, check engine light. The most common sign is a check engine light. While there's no direct code that says bad charcoal canister, you might see EVAP-related trouble codes that point you in that direction, especially if the canister is cracked, clogged, or leaking. Number 2, gas pump keeps shutting off. If you're trying to fill up and the gas pump keeps clicking off after just a few dollars, it could mean the canister is clogged. When that happens, fuel vapors can't escape properly, causing pressure buildup in the tank, and that's why the pump keeps shutting off. Number 3, failed emissions test. A bad charcoal canister can also cause you to fail an emissions test. Any leaks or blockages in the EVAP system will trigger the fuel tank pressure sensor, which sends a warning to the ECM and turns on the check engine light. And once that light is on, you automatically fail the test. Finally, if you're noticing a gasoline smell around your car, it could be a cracked or damaged charcoal canister. When that happens, fuel vapors escape instead of being trapped, leading to that strong fuel odor around your vehicle. So, there you have it, the main symptoms of a bad EVAP canister. If you're seeing any of these signs, it's worth checking your EVAP system before replacing random parts. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss more. See you in the next one.